welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to attempt to do chocolate covered Oreos, chocolate covered pretzels, and chocolate covered Rice Krispie treats. I never did it before, but it's something I wanted to try and something I wanted to do. So I was like, what can I lose? So I decided to do a video on it. So with no further ado, come on with me and let's get started. Okay, so what I have here is a candy milk machine pot, whatever you want to call it, that I bought to attempt this chocolate covered dessert, I would say. I don't know. So let's see. Like I said, this is my first time, you guys, trying to do anything like this. So I take it out of the box. I washed this thingamajiggy. It said just make sure it was dry before you put your chocolate in it, which it is dry. So I'm going to plug it up, and it said turn the button on to the last button over here on this one right here. So the button is all the way over there, and it says let it sit for 5 minutes before applying your chocolate, which I have white and I have blue. So let's see how this turned out. I'll be back in 5 minutes. Now I'm gonna add my candy. Let's do blue first. It's warm, so it says add a little at a time. And it's melting. Yeah. So okay. So we're just gonna, let me bring you guys so y'all can see. You can see it's melting. Melting really fast, actually. Look at that. So once this melt completely, we will start. Our candy has melted completely. So it just says stir occasionally and turn it to the second button on here. So that's what I have just did, and now I'm just going to start dipping. So I have my Rice Krispie treats here, which I did one. I figure I would do them on camera to show you guys. So it's the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, we'll do 8 blues, so I have my sticks here, just some regular cookie sticks here. So I'm gonna open up my Rice Krispie treats. Move my chocolate over here. And I'm just gonna take a stick and stick it at the bottom, which is gonna come out really easily. You see the hole? It's gonna come out really easy, but I'm gonna show you guys something. once I get them all stuck. So I have stuck all of my Rice Krispie treats. I don't know, guys, I'm super excited. Like, I never did this before. I guess that's why I'm so excited. Anyway, so I have stuck the stick in there, and like I had told you, it's a hole. They come out very easily. So what we're gonna do is take our stick and twirl it around in the chocolate like that, and we're gonna stick it right on in there and allow it to sit. So you want to do all of them like that. So as you can see, I have dipped the sticks in chocolate and stuck it in the Rice Krispie treat of all of them. Yay! So we're just gonna allow them to sit for about 3 to 5 minutes. So now that our sticks has set for about 5 minutes, some of them still a little loose. It's okay, just be really careful. So I'm just gonna dip my Rice Krispie treats in here, which I'm gonna take this knife to help me spread it because this pot is not really deep. So the pot, it is to keep the chocolate melted at a good temperature. I could have used the stove pot, but I could have used the chocolate on the stove, put it in a pot on the stove, but then, you know, it would be non-consistent, you know, too hot, too cold, too hot. So to avoid that, I just bought this pot from Walmart, I think for like 20 bucks, something like that. So I'm just cleaning it up now that I have icing all over it. Just cleaning it up. It should look something like that. And you want to lay it on wax paper. So I have wax paper here. So we're just going to move right along. This is really fun. This is a good DIY. You can do with your kids. It's really safe. You know, you don't have to worry about, like I was saying, the stove eye. And the pot is really easy to clean. Blue Rice Krispie treats has been dipped in chocolate. Now all I'm going to do is sprinkle a little sprinkles on them before it dries. So I have a multi-pack sprinkling mix, so I'm just gonna choose one of these and sprinkle on there, which I'm gonna go with this one here to sprinkle on them. so it could come out. So there you have it. I sprinkled them with sprinkles. So now I'm gonna allow them to sit for like 30 minutes. And while they sitting, I'm going to do pretzels. So what I have here is 12 pretzel rods, which I'm going to do the same exact way as I did the Rice Krispie treats. Dipped our pretzels. It's coming along really good. Time consuming, but good. So now I'm gonna take our sprinkles that I had earlier, and I'm going to use this one, the white one. And I'm just gonna sprinkle it on the chocolate. Like that. Now that our Rice Krispie has dried, you see they didn't even stick to the wax paper. That's why you want to use wax paper. I have a piping bag here, which I have cut, and I have white chocolate in it. I'm just gonna drizzle it over top of the Rice Krispies. Oof, it's really hot. I just got it out of the microwave and it's super hot. I do not want to burn my hand. So I have drizzled our Rice Krispie treats with white chocolate. Ain't that pretty? I think I'm doing a good job for this to be my first time. So I get an A for effort. Next, all I'm gonna do is do the same thing for my pretzels. So I have drizzled white chocolate on top of our pretzels. Yay, I'm excited. Due to limited chocolate, I'm not able to dip my Oreos like I want to. So I have like this much white and this much blue. So with that being said, I'm gonna make it do what it do. I'm gonna drizzle it. There we go. Our drizzled Oreos. Where there's a will, there's a way. May not have enough chocolate to dip them, but I was able to do something. These are our chocolate covered desserts and our cupcakes.
I want the box, okay?
And this is my room at my job that I did all of this for. My tree. Yes, those are real presents for my coworkers. My table arrangements. My punch. Yes, I did a beautiful job, you guys. Your girl did it once again. It's not perfect, but it's perfect enough for me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and stay tuned for the next video. Until next time, thanks for watching. Bye.